Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating safe access and collecting tools so the job stays quick and controlled. Once you've cleared 3-4 feet and have gloves, screwdriver, socket set, pry bar, and mallet, identify the shelf type. Look for end caps, retaining clips, or screws at the front lip. First, remove any end caps with your screwdriver, then loosen visible screws a half turn to relieve tension. You do this because trapped tension can bend metal. Releasing it prevents sudden pop-outs and protects walls and hands. Once the front tension is released, focus on the support system, vertical tracks, brackets, or slotted rails. You remove screws from the vertical tracks with the correct bit, then lift the shelf a bit to reveal clips or tabs. These often compress inward. While holding the shelf with one hand to control its weight, press or pry the clips and tilt the shelf to free the rear lip from its slot. Do this step slowly so the shelf clears evenly and you avoid scraping paint or denting metal. Now lower the freed shelf evenly and place it on a protective surface to prevent bends. Once removed, inspect mounting holes and either fill with spackle or install new anchors if you plan to reinstall shelving. This prevents loose screws later. If a bracket or screw is seized, apply penetrating oil, wait 10-15 minutes, and then tap the bracket with a rubber mallet while turning the screw. That loosens corrosion without stripping. Make sure to recheck wall integrity before installing replacements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.